is.
For real?
No, it's cool.
Oh.
Hello. Hey.
You out there?
Yeah.
You want to tell the people what happened?
Kayak's broke, boy.
Sucks.
It's part of it.
Part of the adventure. At least we won't forget this trip. Yo, what is up, ladies and gents? Welcome back to yet another YouTube video. And in today's video, we are here at Pickett, getting ready to do some kayak fishing, hopefully get some fish on. It's gonna be a little bit of a colder time for fishing, definitely because it is early February, so the water is still very cold and probably won't be getting as many bites as what we would originally hope for. But Jaden's already had his kayak in the water. You can see it right there, his blue kayak, and he's got a line in the water right now. One thing's for sure, it has definitely been an adventure trying to get down here. We had quite a mishap on the highway trying to get to Pickett. I'll definitely throw some clips in right now for you so you can see what happened. But basically, the kayak mount that was on top of my car just fell off of the car and kind of, what do you say about it, Jaden? The whole ordeal with the kayak mountains.
Just a mess, man. Just a mess.
It's a terrible time. But we're here now. We're getting ready to put into the water. Like I said, Jaden's already been, and yeah, we're just gonna see if we can get any bites at all. But yeah, hopefully we should have a pretty good time, and I'll catch you guys there. Okay. Alright, we're about to take our first official cast on the kayak. There you go. First cast wasn't beautiful, but it'll get the job done. You see there, a little bit of spinner action. Oh yeah, this water's cold, cold. If you go in here, you're freezing. You're gonna be froze to death. Okay. There we go. Okay. Dude, what is going on? Shoot, man. Dang thing somehow wrapped itself around like 20 times.
I know, dude. This is going to be a challenge for sure.
Yeah, it ain't like regular lake fishing for sure.
Challenge for yeah, that's right.
Dude, I got right on you. I don't know. I don't even remember one there. Look at that cast, brother. It's a good cast. Now we're going in. Look at that arch. Really cool. You know what? It'd actually be really nice to come down here right before it's dark, camp. No one would be any of the wiser. They would have no idea you're there. But yeah, we are very much closing in on the dam. You see it right through here. But yeah, you can get right up on this dam here.
Are we gonna park here?
Park? Yeah, let's park. There went the anchor.
Did it hit the bottom?
Yep, just in. That's what we got left. All right, take that and probably like maybe around that, just a little bit. And then right here, we'll just.
We can just stay attached and we can both just use one paddle on one side.
The entire time. This is what old time hockey would do, dude. He's out in the woods at Canada.
Yeah, he's a good boy.
If you can beat level 1, I will give you $1.
But you don't do level 1?
But yeah, me and Jaden are kind of just, oh God, got right next to my eye. Me and Jaden got ourselves tied up. We got an anchor down between us. There's a dam right over there that could take us any moment. But you know what, we're having a good time. We're having a good time.
We catch some bluegill. Oh look, I get a bite.
You are not. We'll bring that sucker in. What you got on there?
One.
Oh really?
Yeah, but I'm bottom fishing. You got a stinker on it. Feel it. Bait on.
You for real?
Dude.
Oh wow. Yeah, we'll definitely have to come out here when it's like, you know, actually good fishing time.
Dang, man. Maybe get down the creek as soon as it starts getting warmer.
Yeah.
You want to tackle it that way?
Huh?
You want to tackle it that way?
That's where we go.
Oh, look at this.
Huh?
This doesn't even look like actually. Dude, that's crazy. It looks like a cloth or something.
It does.
Dude, right here.
Is it moss?
Hang on, poke it.
I don't like that. That's scary.
What?
I don't like it. Ew. That's scary looking to me.
It's one of those water things. I feel that way with like really big sticks underneath the water. Like logs.
Yeah.
Sketches me out.
You hear that? Listen. Sounds like there's a crazy waterfall that way. You hear it? Let's go. I wonder which way it is, to the right or... Okay, it doesn't sound like it's this bend, it sounds like it's the second one.
I think it's in that cove over there.
Yeah.
I don't think it's a waterfall. I think it's just some flowing water. That's how it's trickling off the rock.
I don't know.
It does sound bigger though.
Yeah, I mean, look how blue this water is right here.
I'm so excited to be able to take this thing somewhere where you don't have to do a whole lot of paddling. It's just coast.
Yeah,
It's gonna be
but I mean, we'd have to find our way to get back. Imagine if it's like we're about to go over. We could drop these off and hike it real quick. Yeah, let's check it out. I want to check it out. Huh?
I don't know if I want to check it out. I don't think it's super big. I think it's just a small stream.
How about I check it out? Okay. For a second, I about went in. Okay, let's check it out real quick. Yeah, I don't think our kayak's going anywhere. Oh, we've been here before. I know exactly where this is. Me, Jaden and Cody used to jump off of this top. We used to jump off this top right here and just land, and we'd stay here for a couple of hours at a time and just chill out. And that's really cool. But yeah, a little waterfall. All right, let's get back to the kayaking. You know that waterfall I just went and checked out? So you know how when me, you, and Cody came down here and we were skateboarding down the thing, and we would go up to in these woods and jump from a cliff? Yeah, that's what that is. I didn't know it was that far back.
I thought about it, but I was like, man, that splash is probably going to be pretty big. Oh wait, that could just be its limbs.
It's a John tree.
They're growing straight.
Those are weird. Yeah, it's like, what? That is weird. What's going on?
That's strange, because look, it's derooted. It's like they're growing out of this one.
I bet you those, it's the branches or something. I don't know. It looks like...
No, dude, those branches wouldn't be like that. They wouldn't be like that, straight up like that.
Look at that. Little stream right here. Hey, look at that. Little bridge.
You act like you haven't seen it before.
I haven't seen it in a long time.
How would you think these stones are? It's kind of narrow and almost impassable on this end over here.
No, we're gonna do it. Until we meet the ice, then we can't turn around. You know what we could do? We could sit here and wait for some other kayakers to come through flying. No, they'll fly through here and we'll get behind them and go, wee woo, wee woo. Splash. This one's gonna go for sure. Here you go.
Just imagine the big ones.
They must have just added that part. That,
Walkway?
yeah. I don't remember that. That's gotta take you to Hazard. Don't you think?
If you keep going though, the rock formations back here are supposed to be crazy. That's what the video said.
Oh, you can keep going?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Let's do it.
Yeah, if you keep going past this, in the video they said the rock formations were crazy.
Oh, wow. It's beautiful through here, man. Look at that.
I like being close to the wall, man. It feels like it's like cozy.
Yeah. Unpassable. Alrighty, ladies and gents, that is the end of today's video. Hopefully y'all did enjoy. If you did, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Overall, pretty good trip. Definitely had some bit of issues at the beginning there. Definitely gonna have to figure out some way to get the kayaks back and forth besides the car mounts. But yeah, that is the end of today's video. Hopefully y'all did enjoy. If you did, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.